This video is just going to explain how the Halo Mini total kill part works with this system. So currently the system's in service mode. As we know, this is a push sequence immobiliser. This is in service mode at the minute, starts up like a normal car without issue, as if it's at a main dealer. If this was to get stolen while in service mode, because you've got the Halo Mini, you can lock down, total kill the system. So we'll go in here, we'll cut the vehicle off, type in the customer's password. We press OK, we see command successful. And now, even though this is in service mode, the vehicle's not going to start. As you see, it doesn't go to ready. They're going to be unable to drive it away. You can go in the app, obviously zoom in, see where the vehicle is, go to it. When you recover it, you can tap on here, go back in, recover the vehicle, type in the customer's password. Command successful. And now the vehicle's going to start as if it's a normal vehicle, back in service mode, no issues. If you were to get in this vehicle, give the code to a friend. So we'll take it out of service mode so you can see. If you were to give the code to a friend, they were to borrow the vehicle and not return it, and you want to lock them out, make sure you get your vehicle back. You can totally kill the system, disabling the keypad entry. So we'll just show you how it works. If we were to start it, obviously it's not going to start because it's now immobilized. Your friend has the code, they're using it, driving the vehicle around, not returning the vehicle. They're putting the code in, getting the flash, driving away. You can totally lock them out. Total kill works in the same way. So if we go in here, cut the vehicle off, type in the password. Command successful. Now with your friend, they're going to try to start the car. It's not going to happen. They know the code, so they're going to give that a try. So we'll just show you up, down, left, right. We get no flash, vehicle's not going to start. Just show you again. Our code, up, down, left, right. We receive no flash. Your friend's going nowhere with your car. When you get to it, recover it, you zoom in on the app, see where the vehicle is, go to it, you can recover it. Once again, you need to pop in your password. Send the command. Command successful. Up, down, left, right. Receive our flash. We can drive away. Vehicle returns to its same state as before. This is the total kill part of the Halo Mini. This is a Lexus Rx450 2021. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching. We're Immobiliser Fit. And once again, this is the Halo Mini in combination with the total kill tracking system. So you can locate, lock down your vehicle and make sure it's secure, whether it's in service mode or you're giving the code to a friend and they're just not bringing the vehicle back.